Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get drones for emergency response in Liberty County. Drones offer incredible advantages, providing real-time aerial views that significantly improve situational awareness during critical incidents. They can quickly assess disaster zones, helping first responders understand the scope of a situation without putting themselves in immediate danger. This technology is truly a game changer for public safety and efficient resource deployment. Before deploying any drone, understanding the regulatory landscape is crucial. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, sets the primary rules under Part 107. You'll need to obtain a remote pilot certificate to legally operate these aircraft. For specialized emergency operations, like flying at night or beyond visual line of sight, securing specific waivers from the FAA is often necessary. Always check for any local county ordinances too. When acquiring drones, choose models specifically designed for public safety, offering robust performance and reliability. Essential equipment includes thermal cameras for night operations and high-resolution optics for detailed imagery. Don't forget a dependable ground control station and secure communication links. Establishing a rigorous maintenance schedule is also vital to ensure your drone fleet remains operational and ready for deployment at a moment's notice, protecting your investment. Comprehensive training for your personnel is paramount, covering not just drone piloting, but also data analysis and interpretation. Develop clear standard operating procedures for every conceivable emergency scenario, ensuring consistent and effective deployment. Seamlessly integrate drone operations into your existing emergency response plans. Finally, conduct regular drills and exercises to keep your team proficient and your equipment in peak condition, ensuring maximum readiness for any incident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.